guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Vanessa, and for this video I'm going to be following Ashley Choi's diet. She has posted a diet video back in 2018, so it's definitely been a while, and I'm sure she doesn't eat like that anymore, but this was made so that she could show her diet routine or whatever she eats when she's on a diet while she was a K-pop idol. So I realize that a lot of you guys are here on my channel to see more K-pop diets or, you know, diet related videos, and I'm gonna start doing more of them. I just wasn't in the right mindset to do like a restricted diet just because I don't know, I've kind of, you know me, like, well, you don't know me if you guys are new here, but if you have been here for a while, like, I've always had a very interesting relationship with food, and whenever I'm stressed, I try to relieve it by eating, and I do a lot of binge eating, which is very unhealthy, and it's something that I'm still struggling with. I feel like I've struggled with that since high school, so it's been a decade. So it's a very hard habit or trait of mine to get rid of, and I am trying my best. But yeah, hopefully, you know, me creating these videos or vlogs, it can kind of motivate me to get on a healthier track. Not to say that all these like K-pop diet videos are going to be necessarily healthy. Obviously, some of them do it very extreme, so it might not be recommended, and it might not be like the, you know, conventional healthy diet. I'm doing them for fun. I usually only do them for a day, so I'm not like torturing myself too much, and I feel like my body can handle like a day of extreme diet when the celebrity of my choosing decides to do something super extreme. Yeah, I'm just gonna do these videos again. Like I've said 100 times before, I'm trying to have a more of a healthy diet. So as time goes on and I get more comfortable or, you know, more knowledgeable in the whole diet world, hopefully I can do diet vlogs where I show you guys what I eat more in detail. So like I've said in the beginning, I'm going to be trying out Ashley B Choi's diet, and it's mostly chicken breasts, sweet potato, which I fucking hate. I don't know what it is, I just really don't like sweet potatoes. They make me really thirsty, and I don't know, they're just not my thing, but whatever. I'm eating that, some fruits here and there, so I can't say I'm like super excited to try out this diet, but I'll just go ahead and try it out. I watch her vlogs pretty often, so thought this would be fun. Let's get started. Okay guys, it's time to have some apples. If you guys know me, I don't really like fruits. I'm more of a vegetable type of gal than fruits. So I'm not really like looking forward to this meal, but whatever. This is what it looks like. She adds cinnamon powder, and she had it with almond butter, but since I don't have that at home, I just replaced it with peanut butter. Probably less healthy. First bite. I really like peanut butter with bananas. Apple is okay too, I guess. And it also kind of helps that like I have the cinnamon powder. It kind of adds like a fall flavor. It's been getting super cold in Korea. I think we skipped fall and just went straight to winter, but I'm just gonna try to act as if this is like a normal fall that we're having in Korea. This is not as bad. The peanut butter is really doing it for me right now. Like, this works. I really like it. Right after I finished the apples, I cooked myself some fried eggs. She had 2, but I'm not really up for 2 eggs. I'm not super hungry at the moment, so this is what I'm having, just 1 simple egg. Can y'all see? Oh, there we go. It honestly looks very appetizing. I really think it's like the hot sauce and the everything but the bagel seasoning. Mine's a bit yolky. I'm not sure if that's what she wanted for her eggs because I remember it being very like well cooked. I do like my yolk. Why are eggs so good? Like, this is such a simple food. I don't even want to call it a dish because it's really not. This is good. Like, I'm very satisfied. I can already tell that this is gonna be like my favorite meal because the rest is just sweet potatoes and chicken breasts. Okay, we're off to a solid start. I think it's time for some snack. Well, snack slash lunch. So I'm gonna have this dried sweet potatoes. That's what I'm gonna have instead of like steamed boring ones. And then this is almond. Obviously, it's not plain almond. It's baked corn flavored almonds. I think it'll taste great. I really like this brand and I'm not being sarcastic. I actually love their almonds and I'm not like a nuts type of person, but this one I can handle. And then lastly, I have some cherry tomatoes. Not my favorite, but I'll eat it. So, oh, I want to show you guys what they all look like. So it looks really chewy. Actually, not that bad. Not that great either. Super crunchy. Kind of tastes like popcorn. Wow. I could eat this all day. Okay. And then some tomatoes.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어.
Last meal of the day. It is time for some dinner. I did not realize that they added in like paprika in the pre-made salad. I didn't know that bell peppers were like a thing for Caesar salads. I mean, this is supposed to be a Caesar salad, but anyway, they had that topping. I cut up some additional bell peppers because I saw her wrap it up with some like lettuce and chicken breast. The shredded chicken, I guess that's chicken breast in this thing. I just bought like a pre-made salad because I was really not in the mood to make one for myself. Also, how Asian is this? Like, I got chopsticks for my salad. I really hope the salad is fresh. Like, it doesn't look that fresh. The lettuce does not look that fresh, which I'm kind of worried about, but honestly, like today, I don't know what it is. I usually have a big appetite, but I don't today, and maybe it's because I knew that I wasn't gonna eat anything like good throughout the day, so maybe that's why I wasn't like looking forward to my meals. But yeah, I'm just not very hungry right now, even though I didn't really eat much today. Wow, I really don't want to eat this. Why is the lettuce like so brown? I don't like that. I think I've like definitely had better salads in my life. Also the croutons, I don't know what this is. Very strange. I hate those bell peppers, what the hell? It's not very sweet. Well, it is sweet, but like in a very oniony way. Ooh, I don't like that. Okay. Okay guys, that is it for today's diet video. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like if I prepare these meals better and, you know, made my own salad, maybe take out the sweet potatoes as an option and maybe add in a little bit of something like more vegetables, like roasted vegetables, I think I would have really enjoyed this diet. Cause like, you know, like I'm not trying to eat everything that I want when I'm on a diet. Obviously I want to stay away from like flour or like too much carbs, but I'm also not a nutritionist, so I really don't know what's good for my body. Like I don't know what a balanced meal is for me. I just know that from all the information that I've gathered from watching all these diet videos, I just personally think that like chicken breasts, like you just can't stay away from them if you're gonna be on a diet. And like salad, it's just something that you have to incorporate into your diet plan. And salad is like actually not that bad for me. Like I actually enjoy having salad when it's good, and I would have really enjoyed it. The apple surprised me a little because I actually enjoyed it unlike the rest of the fruits. This was overall like an okay diet. I probably would be willing to try it again, but put a little bit of twist of my own. If you guys have seen my previous diet videos, they're not very result-based. I don't do them long enough to show you guys like the results. So in the future, it is my goal to have my own diet meals or diet recipes that I can share with you guys. I just feel like that would be more helpful because normally when I try out these diets that other celebrities have done, I just end up really not liking them. I just find it very not enjoyable. I don't look forward to the meals. Like none of the meals get me super excited. I think the last diet video that I did was like Jessica Jung's, and I feel like hers was okay because she ate normal meals in between. But as of now, I'm just trying out all these different types of celebrity diets because it's just for entertainment, honestly. So I hope you guys just watch these videos not expecting too much. Yeah, like this is for entertainment purposes. I really want to put that out there. Like I want to make sure that you guys get it because this is not supposed to be like informative. It's just me like trying it out and see how I like it, and that's it. It's just me experimenting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to. I'm not trying to force you to do anything that you don't want to. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!